A Kikoff application can be denied because of issues with your application details, account verification, or information used during the approval review. By the end, you'll know the common reasons a Kikoff application may be declined and the steps you can take before trying again. The first thing to check is the reason given for the denial. The explanation connected to your application is the best way to understand what affected the decision. One possible reason is incorrect information on your application. Details like your name, address, and personal information need to match your records. Mistakes or mismatched details can create problems during the review process. Review your application carefully and make sure every detail is accurate before submitting another request. Another reason can be an issue with identity verification. Financial services use verification steps to confirm applicant information. If the information provided cannot be confirmed, the application may not be approved. Make sure your personal details are consistent and that you provide accurate information during the application process. Your credit information may also affect approval decisions. Kikoff products are designed around building credit, but the application process can still involve reviewing information connected to your financial profile. Check your credit reports for incorrect information, outdated records, or errors that could affect how your application is reviewed. If you find mistakes, follow the correction process with the reporting agency. Avoid immediately applying again without understanding why your first application was denied. A new application with the same issue may lead to the same result. If the reason is unclear, contact Kikoff support and ask for more information about the decision. Knowing the specific reason helps you focus on the right fix. Before applying again, verify your personal information, review your credit details, and address any problems connected to your denial. A denied Kikoff application does not tell you what to fix until you look at the reason behind the decision. The solution depends on whether the problem came from your application details, verification, or financial information. The key points are simple. Find the denial reason, correct any errors, and only apply again after making the needed changes. Your next step is to review your Kikoff application decision and focus on the exact issue mentioned. Subscribe for more clear explanations about credit products, approvals, and financial apps.